Abagereri babone bwa munyabantu Getembe Defenders Coalition litkulia ngabanya kabakumirana ase omochi obosongo atwanya kabagukwanira amange igoro yokurwanira obone bwa munyabantu asebo igabanya kaba bakorwa ebitango ao ebyanya kabikoirira munyabantu baterikonya kabagukiranirwa obone bwa bochinga kichonsi muligedo Catherine kwambukanyaboga na mange
Kazibaye tuwakenya Ritko ryakabererero nigo abayigereri bo bwene bwa munyabantu kure county ya Kisii bakorawa ne Getembe Defenders Coalition bomerana erigo kwanera okunuriro kwa bwene bwa munyabantu kisegi chegenka na boyigo okunuriro wa ko mwana omunyaruka.
We have gathered here over the past 2 days with the human rights defenders from Kisii County to have an overview of the human rights situation in Kisii County, but most importantly to look at the concerns about the safety, security and the protection of human rights defenders.
Kwa wakati kushukuru Defenders Coalition sababu walionelea ni heri watuweke pamoja tuzungumze, na unajua wakati kama huu ndio tunaelekea election, so lazima defenders waangaliwe vizuri, wapewe moyo, na vile vile kama kuna threats ambazo zipo tuone vile tunaziangalia ili wasije wakawa na shida wakati kama huu election unaokuja.
Gukwana ekerekyo nigo umuwakilishi kure county assembly county ya Kisii Madam Lilian Gori ateba serikali ya county nigo egendrete kobeka emerobiro nabo igo amachiko amaikranu yo erikwane kyabuna obwene bwa munyabantu ngo ikiranirwa kore.
As an assembly we have committed to defend the human rights defenders, especially those whose lives are threatened because of that which they do to defend the community's rights, and reminding our leaders of the responsibility that they have, which they have not committed, in making sure that the rights of the children and the people's right to participate in decision making.
Nonyina boga tiyo kuhunirwa kwa bwene bwa munyabantu abange bagendete konyora no kogosererwa kwa magimabo.
Kisii and Nyamira, I'm a human rights defender based at Kisii County, and today we were here to talk about the human rights violations that happen in our county and some of the resolutions that we have made. We want to work with the police, we want to work with the judiciary, we want to work with the Kisii County government to ensure our survivors get justice.
Also, most importantly, we have noted concerns around threats, intimidation and targeting of vocal community members. Outspoken human rights defenders have really have raised concerns about their safety and security. They are increasingly being targeted, they are being surveilled, there are people who are after them, and they are receiving very many threats from various quarters of the community. It's also our call to security agencies to ensure that the safety of human rights defenders here is guaranteed, not only in Kisii County but also in the entire country.
Chinga kechecho ni gobaru okobolya gochase abantu bonsi kuboterana eryogo siretse gichegenka okonerwa ko mwana omunyaruka nabo igo okonerwa ko bwene bwa munyabantu.
This is denying somebody basically a right to live, and everybody in this county, in Kenya and abroad, have right and freedom to expression. And therefore the Defenders Coalition is here today to remind us that it is important for every citizen in this country to enjoy their rights and the rights of human rights defenders, which are often infringed because they are vocal members of the society.
Ngo report ya Getembe Television, Catherine Kwambukanyaboga.